English 6, Term 1, Week 10, Session 1, Using General References. Learning objectives. The learners are expected to identify sections and uses of an almanac and its index. Locate information using a sample almanac index and table of contents. Appreciate the value of reference books in obtaining accurate information. It's spelling time. I will pronounce words that are related to the lesson for the day and you will spell them out in your notebook. Number 1. Almanac. 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 Number 2. Reference. 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 Number 3. Information. 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 Number 4. Accurate. 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 And number 5. Geography. 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 If I wanted to know which country won the most Olympic medals in 2024, or what the weather pattern might look like this winter, where should I look? A dictionary? An atlas? There is a superbook of facts, updated every year, called an almanac. Let us now read this text. The book full of answers. One morning, Mia and her classmates were preparing for a school quiz. Their teacher gave them some interesting questions. Who knows the highest mountain in the world? The teacher asked. Mia quickly searched through her storybook, but she could not find the answer. Then the teacher asked, "What is the capital city of a certain country?" Mia looked at her dictionary, but the answer was not there. Another question followed. What important events happened in a particular year? Mia became confused. She wondered, do I need a different book for every question? During their search, Mia noticed a thick book on the classroom shelf. It had many pages filled with dates, facts, numbers, records, and information about different places and events. Teacher, what is this book? Mia asked. The teacher smiled and said, That is an almanac. Mia was curious. What can we find in it? You can find many kinds of useful information in an almanac. It is a reference book that helps us find facts about different topics, the teacher explained. Mia opened the book and exclaimed, Wow, there are so many facts in one book. She realized that she had discovered a new way to find information. Let us now answer the following questions. Number 1. What problem did Mia experience? Number 2. What kind of book did Mia discover? Number 3. What information did she find in the book? Number 4. Why do you think the book was useful to Mia? And number 5. Based on the story, what do you think an almanac is? What is an almanac? An almanac is an annual or yearly reference book containing a wealth of miscellaneous information such as weather forecast, astronomical data, statistics, championships, and world records. Here are the key features of a print almanac. The index, located at the back or sometimes front. Because an almanac has so many random topics, you must use the index to find the page number you need. Tables and charts. Most information is organized in lists, timelines, and tables rather than long paragraphs. Why use it? It gives you quick, bite-sized facts and numbers that happened over the past year or across history. Let us now have this activity, guided practice, exploring an almanac, directions. Read each question carefully. Use the sample almanac index below to determine which topic, subtopic, or page you would look up to find the answer. Write the letter of the correct answer. Sample almanac index. Animals, mammals, page 45. Birds, page 52. Geography, mountains, page 78. Rivers, page 84. Science, planets, page 120. Weather, page 128. Sports, basketball, page 210. Olympic Games, page 218. Number 1. Where would you look to find information about the different planets? A. Geography. B. Science. C. Sports. Number 2. If you want to learn about famous rivers, which page should you check? A. Page 84. B. Page 120. C. Page 210. Number 3. You are looking for information about birds. Which page should you start with? A. Page 45. B. Page 52. C. Page 78. Number 4. You want to find information about basketball. Which section should you look up? A. Animals. B. Science. C. Sports. Number 5. If you want to learn about weather, which subtopic under science should you check? A. Planets. B. Weather. C. Rivers. Number 6. Where would you look for information about mammals? A. Page 45. B. Page 128. C. Page 218. Number 7. You want to find information about the Olympic Games. What page should you check? A. Page 52. B. Page 128. C. Page 218. Number 8. Which section would you use to find information about mountains? A. Geography. B. Animals. C. Sports. Number 9. If you are looking for information about planets, which page should you turn to? A. Page 78. B. Page 120. C. Page 210. Number 10. True or false? An almanac can contain information about many different topics. A. True. B. False. This time, please get your pens and notebooks. Assessment. Directions. Read each question carefully. Use the sample index and table of contents provided below to determine which topic or section you would look up to find the answer. Write the letter of the correct choice. Sample index snippet. Aviation. History, page 245. Records, page 248. Disasters, earthquakes, page 112. Floods, page 115. Population, world cities, page 88. U.S. states, page 92. Sports, baseball, page 402. Olympic Games, page 415. Number 1. Where would you look to find the number of people living in Tokyo? A. Disasters. B. Population. C. Aviation. Number 2. If you want to know who won the World Series in baseball last year, what page should you start on? A. Page 112. B. Page 245. C. Page 402. Number 3. You are writing a report on the biggest floods in history. Which page will help you? A. Page 115. B. Page 92. C. Page 248. Number 4. To find out about the invention of the first airplane, which subtopic under aviation should you check? A. Records. B. History. C. Floods. Number 5. True or false? An almanac is updated every 10 years. A. True. B. False. Ways forward. Directions. Ask an adult or search online for 3 facts that can be found in an almanac. Write them in your notebook. Example: Capital of the Philippines, Manila.